guys, how you doing? It's time for our midnight snack and we want to try something with you. This is going to be a taste test of the Biscolata Pia lemon in the lemon flavor. We got this from Dollar Tree for $1 and it says lemon filled cookies topped with white chocolate. Yeah, it's a 3.53 ounce. You guys, and it looks so good, and you know, we were listening to you guys and y'all said they are very tasty, so I'm excited. I hope it is good. And let's see, it's 110 calories.
Hi, are you ready for yummy?
It's 110 calories and it says serving size is 0.88 ounce and it's 4 servings.
I just bought some.
Okay, so let's open it. This box is so cute, you guys. The packaging is, I love it. So, oh my goodness, y'all. I'm excited but scared at the same time. Oh my goodness. Like my mouth is like, ooh, yay, new snack. But my stomach is like, ooh, girl, I hope it's not bad. So, it's like this inside the box, you guys.
I want some.
Okay, I have to open it. Oh, I like the way it's wrapped. Look, y'all, that is so cute.
I want some.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on, you guys. I'm gonna get some scissors and cut this right quick. Hold on, please. Okay, you guys, I cut it open, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It smells good, you guys. I can smell it from right here. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it smells. Oh, y'all, my mouth. I'm drooling. Do you see the drool? Oh my goodness.
I want some.
Oh, y'all. I'm excited. It smells so good. It smells like a lemon pound cake. Oh, and it's soft, you guys. It's good. I thought it was gonna be kind of hard a little bit, but it's soft. I love soft cookies, you guys. Oh, it's real soft. Thumbs up. It's good. Okay. So yeah, this is what it is. Soft, you guys. Oh, wait a minute now. Oh, it's kind of sticking together. Oh, look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, my mouth is ready. Oh, I'm ready, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. It's good. Look at that, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this part at the top is like a crunchy icing. You know how you put the icing on a cookie, cake, or whatever, and then you put it in the refrigerator and take it out, and how it's kind of crunchy like that? That's what it's like. And then the cookie is real soft. It's like God, it tastes like a lemon pound cake. That's what it tastes like. Y'all, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so good. I told myself I was just gonna eat one, but baby, this is good. Let me take this apart and see what's all going on here. Oh, y'all see that see, it got the little cookie right there, and see that little gooey lemon stuff on the inside. So you know what it remind me of? Y'all know, have y'all ever had, no, we're not finna eat that right now. Have y'all ever had you want some of that? Okay, we gotta finish this first. Have you ever had have you ever had lemon pie before? That gooey stuff that's in the middle tastes like lemon pie. So it tastes like a cookie with lemon pie filling in the middle and lemon icing on top. That's what it tastes like, you guys. This is so
Yucky.
mm, 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 mm. It's so good, you guys.
Yeah, the food is good now.
It is so good.
Yes. Okay.
I'm just gonna eat one more, you guys. Just one more. Just one more, right, too? Just one more cookie.
Okay.
But they're stuck together, though.
That's good.
You know, I just wanted to eat one more, but 3 of them came out, you guys. So I guess I'm just gonna have to eat 3. Well, I share it with her. But see how they stuck together, you guys? Look at that. Mm. 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 Mm.
My turn.
Okay, it's your turn.
Yay! My turn.
Y'all, we're not finna sit here and fight over these cookies. That's what we're not finna do. We're gonna share, right?
Yeah.
They so good, y'all. Oh, maybe they worth the fight. See how it just comes apart, you guys? Here you go. Which one you want?
That one.
This one? Oh my goodness, you guys. This is my last one, you guys. I'm not gonna eat anymore. This is my last one. Mmm. 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 Let me tell you, it put me in the mind of the good lemon pie. You know, the crust of the lemon pie. That's what it tastes like, y'all. Like the crust of a lemon pie. Yes, that's what it is. Mmm. And you guys, I love lemon pie. And this, man.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. You gotta finish eating that one before you get another one.
I like that one.
Oh my goodness, y'all. This is... I feel so guilty because it's so good. Yeah, finish eating them first.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel so guilty. When something tastes this good, it has to be bad for you, you know? Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. I just want to lay down in it and just snack on it while I sleep, you guys. I want to eat some while I take a bubble bath. I want to snack on it all day. It's just...
Mama, I'm gummy.
Gummy?
And yummy.
It's yummy? You know when you eat something that's so good, you just want to lay with it?
Gummy.
Y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I want to shout. I want to holler and scream, but you know, I don't want to wake up the neighbors. But, whew, y'all, it's so good. I'm gonna help her finish eating hers, and this is all I'm gonna eat. You know, I ate 2 already, and I'm just gonna help her eat on hers, and then I'm done. Yo, it's so good. I'm trying to hold my excitement in, y'all, because I don't want to be real loud. But, oh, my bad.
No, I don't want it, okay?
You gonna let me have it?
Hey, yummy?
Yeah, it's yummy. Y'all, that was, I'm gonna get another one because the other one, it broke. Oh, I was just trying to get one more, but they're all sticking together. Which one you want? Okay. You know they sticking together, so you gotta grab all of them. You know.
No, Mama, sushi. Okay.
But y'all, this the last one. I'm not eating no more after this. Mm. Pull it apart. Oh my goodness, you guys. After this, no more. It's just so good. And the last one, you know, it broke apart and then they were sticking together and you know, so the the ones I ate already, they didn't count because, you know, they were messed up. Here you go. You want this one? Okay, yeah, this my last one, okay.
Okay.
This right here, this gonna be the last one. Y'all, woo. Trying not to get too excited. If you like lemon pie, you'll like this. Yeah. If you like lemon pie and lemon cake, you'll like this. Here's a little piece that have fell, you guys. I don't want none to go to waste, so I'm gonna eat this.
What happened?
It fell. So I'm gonna eat this little piece. It's just a little small piece. I'm gonna eat that too, cause I don't want nothing to go to waste, you guys. Nothing to go to waste. I found another one. Yeah, I found another one, you guys. I'm gonna eat it because it fell out of the package, and I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm gonna eat this one too.
Mama, right here.
Right here, what? You want some of this one?
Yeah.
Eat that one.
Hey, that one?
So we switched, and she gave me her big piece, so I have to eat it because I don't want it to go to waste. It tastes like the crust of a lemon pie.
Lemon pie.
Yeah, like a lemon pie, huh?
Nom, 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 nom.
I feel so bad. I'm doing something bad. I feel so guilty.
I'm dummy now. I'm dummy.
We should not be eating this.
Yeah.
It's too good, you guys.
Yeah.
But we don't want it to go to waste.
Yeah.
I just want to hug it. I just want the goodness to give me a hug. I just want it to hold me. It's so good.
Yeah.
And yeah. Something. Oh my goodness, y'all. I don't know what happened to all them cookies, y'all.
Finish.
They must didn't give us a full bag of them.
Ouch. That one cookie?
That's not a cookie. They must didn't give us the full bag, y'all, because they gone. Yeah, that's the one you was eating on. Look, y'all, they gone.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened. All I remember is just getting one, eating one. How many did you have?
2.
You had 2?
Yeah.
I think I only had 1. I only remember 1. It was so good. I ate them all?
Yeah.
No. I got cookie crumbs all in my shirt. I guess I'm trying to save some for later on. Baby, those things are good. Oh my goodness.
Dummy.
They are delicious, you guys. If you see them at your Dollar Tree or whatever store you see them at, pick them up because they are, if you like lemon pie, if you like lemon pound cake, if you like lemon sweets, baby, pick that up because that is so good. I can't believe that my cookies walked away. My cookies jumped up out this bag and ran away, you guys, because I only ate one. Like, how many did y'all see? Only ate one, right? You guys only had one, and that one was so good. OMG.
Mama, that's that one.
Yeah. It must have had some butter or something on it, honey, because
Dummy.
it was good. It was yummy, huh? I can't. Y'all, these cookies done got up and walked away. But they was so good. That one I had, it touched my spirit. If y'all see these, y'all pick them up. And it's the Biscolata. Biscolata. How you say that? Baby, it was good, huh? You want me to help you eat that one? Let mama help you with that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you for sharing with me. Yeah. I'm sorry to be smacking all in y'all face. Baby, that was good. It left my fingers real sticky. Gotta go wash my hands.
Y'all wash your hands.
But I thank you guys for trying that cookie with us. It was so good. I only ate one and the rest of them ran away. So I guess I'm going to have to buy some more and taste it again. They did have some in the orange flavor. Yeah, that was so good. It's good, huh? You want me to help you with that piece right there?
No.
Yes. Oh, she told me no, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I can have. Oh, yeah. Where you go? Hey, wait a minute.
Hey.
I'm sorry. My bad. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for sharing with me. Girl, that is so good.
Here.
I can have the last bite.
My bite.
Thank you. Y'all, you know somebody love you when they give you their last bite.
Eat up. Where's mine?
Huh?
Where's mine?
Where yours go?
Yeah.
I don't know. Where did it go, you guys?
Where's mine?
What happened to it? Did it walk away?
Yeah.
Baby, her cookie done walked away, y'all. We're going to have to buy another box of them because it walked away. The cookies, you know, they ran away. I guess they didn't want us to eat them, so they ran away.
I'm eating.
Yeah. We're going to have to buy some more. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope you have a great day. Tell them bye-bye. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, you guys.
Bye, guys.